Meet SiriusXM with 360L, the most complete and advanced entertainment experience ever offered in VW vehicles. With an unparalleled variety of premium entertainment, innovative features that make discovery easier than ever, and a personalized experience for every driver, SiriusXM with 360L and VW are the perfect match, especially with a 3-month trial subscription on most 2021 models. SiriusXM with 360L gives you more in your vehicle than ever before, including content previously available only online, and thousands of hours of on-demand shows. Let's start at the Categories menu and jump straight to music. Here, you choose the category you want to listen to. While listening to a selection, you can tap the album art to access the new Carousel Tuner that lets you swipe right or left to find your station grouped by genre. And when you're listening to something you really love, tap Related to discover even more channels and on-demand shows to enjoy related to what you are currently listening to. Or, from the station list, tap For You, and you'll get a list of programming personalized just for you, based on your listening preferences and favorites. And if you're a sports fan, it doesn't get any better. Tap Sports, and a list of games currently live shows up, with the home team on the right, away team on the left. Plus, you can listen to the audio from either team's home broadcasters. Just tap the team icon. So if you're out of town, you can listen to the announcers you know and love. And if you prefer listening to on-demand shows and interviews at your leisure, just choose your category and the on-demand content link will be right at the top. Your SiriusXM with 360L 3-month trial subscription allows listening nearly anywhere, anytime, in a variety of ways. In your Volkswagen, on your phone with the SiriusXM app, online, and at home on compatible connected devices. SiriusXM with 360L and your Volkswagen. They're meant for each other.